Hello everyone at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill, Ontario. Today we have iPhone 14 Pro. We need to do only glass replacement. The LCD is still working fine. No any issue in the LCD, the main original Apple screen. So one of the local stores here in Richmond Hill brought me this LCD to do a glass replacement for him. So if you want to save money and keep the original Apple screen, you can bring it to our store in Richmond Hill, Ontario at 360 Newmarket Road. Our phone number is 416-587-7105. You can book an appointment through the phone or through our website, Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. There is a form in the contact us pages. You can call us or send us an email for an appointment. So let us start now. We need to insert this cutting wire in between the glass and the LCD. If you have Apple iPad or Apple Watch, you can bring it for glass replacement as well. We prefer to give us a call or send us an email for appointment, and you are most welcome to come here to our store in Richmond Hill, Ontario. As you can see here, the only glass has been separated. This one stuck to the rubber. The glass is like to stuck anywhere. So now we'll clean this glue from here. All this glue should be removed. So now we'll clean it in. This is the internal frame. We can remove it. We will add another new frame. We use a lot of these cloths. Okay, so now it's ready for the glass. All these marks, it will not show up in the new screen when you put the glass. This is normal. So now we need to clean this OCA occlusion from the screen, and this is glue removal liquid. We'll leave it for some times. If you have any iPhone, just glass is broken, you can bring it here, or iPad. We do all iPhones, all cell phones repair, laptop, MacBook, motherboard, liquid damage, screen replacement for Mac or laptop. We fix gaming computer and laptop as well. We do all this service here in store. Our address is 360 New York Road. We are in the same building of James Snow Storage. You can just add our store name in the Google map and they will bring you here to our store. need to make sure no any glue remaining on the LCD. Perfect. So all the sticky glues removed now. So we'll clean it and we'll add the new glass. This process is important to make sure no glues remains on the LCD. Yes, perfect. See, like the glue removed from everywhere. See, the LCD is shiny. Perfect. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll move to another table. So this is the glue. So this is the glass with the OCA, and this is a new frame. We can remove this one, internal one, and put a new one. So now the process for adding the LCD to the glass, the new glass. We need to make sure there is no any dust stuck to the main LCD. So now I need to take out this. Here we go. Perfect. So now we'll put it inside the machine. So now it's time to check the LCD. See here, it's like new. This is just perfect. It's like Apple new screen. So if you have any iPhone or iPad or Apple Watch, you can bring it to our store. We'll do it for you. Thank you for watching. See you next video.